Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMeet Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert a diameter symbol on your Google Sheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the diameter symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer, just going to show. So this is the diameter symbol. So you have a keyboard shortcut here. You just need to press Alt key and type 0216. Press Alt key and type 0216. It automatically create the diameter symbol. Just press Alt key and type 0216 and release the Alt key. It automatically create this. So the second way, you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard. So it will open this dialog box. Just keep this dialog box on the side and just choose the symbol option. And here you just need to click on this first, and you just need to click on this infinity symbol. Just scroll down and you can find this diameter symbol here. So just press Windows plus dot key and just go to the symbol option and click on this math symbol and just scroll down, and this is how you just insert the diameter symbol on your Google Sheet on your computer, because there is no insert symbol option present here. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMeet Unique. Have a wonderful day.